Okay, guys, I'm going to tell you a little bit about the Hoover Dam. Just for the fun of it, I might throw the word dam in a couple of times. I hope you don't hold that against me. Hoover Dam itself, well, it was a damn big project, too damn big for any single construction company because he needed a $5 million performance bond just to get the job. So a group of companies, 6 of them in fact, all got together, created a mega company. They weren't sure what to call themselves, so one of them said, look, we're 6 companies, that'll be our name. They said, all right, why not? But again, these guys are road builders, construction guys. They were really no damn good at building a dam, so they needed somebody who knew what they were doing. So they found a famous dam building engineer named Frank Crowe, who, by the way, was damn good at it. And they said to Frank, hey, Frank, will you build our dam for us? What did Frank say, guys? You have to see this coming.
Damn right I will.
Huh?
Damn right I will.
Damn right. That's exactly what he said. Damn right. Count me in. Frank Crowe loved building dams, and he was great at it. He was like the smartest guy in the world for building dams, so you figured, yeah, who else? Now, Frank Crowe was a big man, hardworking guy, kind of guy that you loved him or you hated him, really. But one thing for sure, if you worked for Frank Crowe, you were always going to get your job done early.
Five-foot-long steel shaft. Now, if you look here at the first generator in line, you can see that shaft right there in the center with the light shining on it. See it there? Well, attached to the bottom of that shaft, 40 feet down, is what we call a turbine runner. A turbine runner is basically just a fancy name for a horizontal water wheel. The function of that water wheel at the bottom is to help to convert all that kinetic energy of the moving water that was traveling beneath your feet a few minutes ago into electrical energy for transmission. Now, redirecting your attention back down below, you might have been curious about that brown object inside the railing down there. Well, that, folks, is what's going to get us upstairs in the elevator in a few minutes. It's another kind of generator that we use here at Hoover Dam. That one has a name. It's called a Pelton water wheel generator, and its job here is to supply our in-house electricity. And they took basically the same tour in 1937 that you just took with me, with one big difference. They only paid 25 cents for that tour. Now, this time, folks, is where once again we take another elevator ride. I'm going to lead the group back to the elevator for a ride up to the exhibit level. But please don't go through the door just yet.